We use TEXTJOIN Excel function is to concatenate, or join, a range of text string using a specified delimiter. But what if you need to reverse the order of those text strings? That's where today's tutorial comes in. So, in this video, I'm going to walk you through a simple, yet effective formula to reverse the order of text values you've joined using TEXTJOIN. Let's dive right in. First, I will use Excel row function to generate the row numbers of the data. Next, I will deduct number 2, so that the sequence will be started from number 1. Or else, we can use Excel sequence function to further simplify it. I will define the row argument as a count of the data. Okay, but you can use either to generate the sequence. Next, I'm going to use Excel sort function to reverse this sequence number. Leave the sequence number as array, and default sort index, since we have only a single column. Then, for sort order use, descending option, and close the bracket. Now the formula returned me in reverse order. Next, I will use Excel index function to extract the value at a given location, which we have created this reverse order. Select the data array, then leave the reverse sequence as row argument, and close the bracket. Now the content returned me in reversed order values. Now, you can use the TEXTJOIN function again on the new reverse order data. And there you have it. A beautifully reversed order of your TEXTJOIN output. This technique can be applied to any similar scenarios where you need to reverse the order of joined text. If you don't have TEXTJOIN function, check my previous videos on how to get it, and use in your old Excel version. With that said, thanks for watching. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more Excel tips and tricks. Until next time, happy excelling.